Hi students. So this video is continuity of the last video. Chapter 1 part 1 is over. So this is part 2. In this video today I am going to share three topics: how to find the equivalent rational numbers, and second one is how to reduce the rational number into the standard form, and third one is comparison of two rational numbers and find which rational number is greater than. So let me see one by one. The first one is equivalent rational numbers. Here I am giving the definitions. Dear students, go through the definitions and noted in your classwork note. If the numerator and the denominator of a rational number, so the numerator denominator is nothing but the form of a by b, it's multiplied by non-zero integers. That is, we can take as c. Then we can get another rational numbers that is equivalent to the given rational numbers. Let me see with the example. So a by b, we can take one rational number as 4 by 5, and one more number integer I'm taken here as 3. So next what we do, we can multiply this c, number c, that is 3, with the numerator and denominator, that is a, it is multiplied with c, that is a cross c by b cross c. So we can get the answer as a is 4 and c is 3. So 4 3s are 12 and b is 5 and c is 3. So 5 3s are 15. So 12 by 15 is the equivalent rational number of 4 by 5. So I'm giving one more example also. Find the equivalent rational number of 5 by 7. Let me see the solution for that equivalent number of 5 by 7. So for what we do first, so we have to write the form. This is the form of a by b. So a is nothing but 5 and b is taken as 7, and we can see c we can take as 2. So now the form is, we multiply this c numerator and denominator, it will change a cross c by b cross c. So then a value is 5, multiply with this 2 and divided by b value is 7, it is multiplied with 2. So now 5 2s are, it's 10 by 14. So 10 by 14 is your equivalent fraction of 5 by 7. So this is how you have to find your equivalent rational numbers. And one more example is also solving to you. Find the two equivalent rational number of 1 by 2. So what we did for one equivalent rational number, at the same way you can find any number of equivalent rational numbers. So we can start with its two table, and next 3 4 5 etc. So here the number is given 1 by 2. So the 1 by 2, the numerator denominator is multiplied by 2. That is your non-zero integer. Already we see it in the definition, non-zero integer we can take as c. Here c is 2, so we multiply with numerator and denominator by 2. So we can get 2 by 4 is one equivalent rational number, and one more rational numbers we can multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. So 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So these two is your equivalent rational number of 1 by 2. So next, rational number in standard form. So what is standard form? So this is also definitions, you can note it in the note. If a rational number a by b, then the only common factor of a and b is 1. So if you have some rational number like 1 by 2, if you take a common factor, that is HCFs, that must be in 1, and b should always a positive number, then the rational number is said to be a standard form. Here some examples also I am written: 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. If you take a common factor for these number, numerator denominator, it will share 1. So that's why we said this 3 by 4, 5 by 6 are standard form. Before I'm giving the examples, one note is also it's given. This is very important. You have to note it. The quotient of the two numbers. Quotient is nothing but your rational number, denominator and numerator, with different sign. So different sign means the numerator having positive values, the denominator is having negative values. That is called different sign. Then we can get your negative numbers. Look at here, some example is given. 4 by minus 5. Here the numerator is plus value, so the denominator is minus value. Then obviously you can get answer as in negative number. So minus 4 by 5. If the two numbers are of same sign, so the numerator and denominator are both is negative or it is positive, then the quotient is again positive number. So the example is given minus 3 by minus 4. So the numerator denominator is minus, so the minus minus cancel, so we can get 3 by 4, that is positive rational number. And one more, plus 4 by plus 5, that is also, it is both positive, same sign, so again we can get the positive number. Let me move on to the sum. Reduce to the standard form. So 48 by minus 84. Here the solution is given. So if you want to take a standard form, so you have to find that numerator denominator HCF. So we have to find the HCF of numerator and denominator. So HCF is nothing but highest common factor. So here 4 is only the common factor of both numbers. So 4 is your common factor. Then what we do next? So you have to divide this numbers with by 4. So minus 48 by 84, it's both divided by 4, so we can get the standard form minus 12 by 21. So this is your standard form of minus 48 by 84. Next, reduce to the standard form 12 by 36. How to find 12 by 36 standard form? You have to convert into standard form. So what to do first? So you have to take a HCF for 12 and so first find HCF of 12 and 36. So first we have to find 12, excuse me, 36. So you have to go with that smallest number, that is 2. So 12 is divided by 2 is 6 times 2 is 12 and 1 2 is 2, the balance 1 carry over to 6, that is 16. So it is 8, 8 2s are 16. Again we can take 2 table, 3 2s are 6 and 6, 9 2s are 18. Then now we can divide this to 3 table, 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. And after this there is no common factor, so until this is your common factors, multiply these all. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 8, 12. So your HCF is 12. So what to do? You know your HCF is 12. So what to do? You have to divide this numerator and denominator with your HCF number is 12. So what will be your answers? 12, it's 12, it is divided, it's 1. The same number is divided, the answer is 1. And how many 12 in 36 is 3. So 1 by 3 is your standard form of that 12 by 36. So this is how you have to find your standard form. And the third topic is comparison of two rational numbers. So how to compare two rational numbers? So directly I move on to that sum, then you can understand. Find which rational number is greater. So we can do in two different methods. So first we will see to that. Here the two rational number is given 5 by minus 4 minus 11 by minus 7. So first of all, the denominator should always be positive. So make the denominator as positive. So 5 by minus 4, it is written as minus 5 by 4 and minus 11 by minus 7. So both are negative. Then we can get positives. The before slide we noted these all. So here now it is minus 5 by 4 and another one is 11 by 7. So 11 by 7 is positive rational number and minus 4 by minus 5 by 4 is your negative rational numbers. Then obviously when we are check it out the positive and negatives, the positive is always greater value. So 11 by 7 is your greatest rational number. It is comparing to minus 5 by 4. So this is how you have to find your comparisons. And one more examples I am giving. Find which rational number is greater, 1 by minus 2 and 9 by 11. Let me see. So look at here, 1 by minus 2 and 9 by 11. So as I am already told in the previous sums, is the denominator should always positive. So make a denominator positive first. So this negative number should come in numerator, so that is minus 1 by 2. So you can use the cross multiplication method as you studied in 6th standard. So minus 1 by 2, 9 by 11. So you can cross multiply this numerator to denominator, numerator to denominator. So then minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 into this 11, it is equal to minus 11, and 2 into 9, it is equivalent to 18. So now what we get the answers is, so we get the answer minus 11 and 18. So obviously here also it is one negative number, one positive number. So positive is greater. So minus 1 by 2 is less than 9 by 11. So 9 by 11 is your greatest number. You can write this is in this form also. 9 by 11 is greater than minus 1 by 2. So you can read this symbol is greater than, this is your less than. So minus 1 by 2 is less than 9 by 2. So here they are asking greater, so you can use this greater symbol in this format. So this is how we have to comparing two. Okay, dear students, please noted our homework sums and do it in our classworks note. Let me see to that online class. Thank you so much to watch our videos. Please subscribe to our videos and put your comments to in comments box. Thank you.